Start.
Good morning, all of you. This is a satellite communication trainer system. So, in this, we have converted the satellite communication trainer in the form of basic building blocks. So, that basic building blocks, like first will be a transmitter section. Second will be a emulator section, which will correspond related to our actual satellites. This is a receiver section. So here we have used three basic building blocks. One, transmitter will transmit a particular signal, then emulator will receive that signal, again process it, amplify it and retransmit. The receiver will receive the transmitted signal from the emulator. So this corresponds to our satellite communication training system. Here we can able to transmit particular basic signals like analog, digital.
Start.
This satellite system will work in the frequency in the range of C band, that is a IF-free ISM band, having a frequency range up to a 2400 to 2481 megahertz. So within this frequency band, which is directly freely available from government, that can be used for the applications under the ISM, industrial, scientific as well as medical applications. So this is our transmitter section. Here a particular inputs will be given by using the keypads. This is a membrane keypads. This is a 4x20 LCD display. Whatever the selection you will do from the keypad, that can be easily monitored on the display. Here you can see that it is now showing the uplink frequency, channels and all the commands which we will provide through this keypad. Here you can see the basic baseband signal, what baseband signals you can able to apply to the transmitter section. Here you can apply the analog input for transmitting your analog signal. You can apply the TTL input for transmitting the baseband TTL signal. You can give the two mics, like your voice signal can be applied to this satellite, transmit it and again receive it through this mic's input. So two mic inputs can be able to apply. Similarly, you can able to see the internally generated sync signal as well as telemetry signal at the transmitter side. You can apply your digital data directly coming from PC or your external source in the form of binary through this. So this transmitter section is totally a programmable, in which a ARM 32-bit RISC processor has been used. By using